Russia keeps losing a lot of T-90M tanks, as Ukrainian drone operator found a T-90M tank just within a tree line, most likely abandoned after hitting a mine. As the grenade hits the back section over the track, it adds to the already immobilized tank. But as Ukraine wants to make sure Russia never used this tank again, they target the tank with an anti-tank guided missile, which looks like the stugna-p. As this anti-tank warhead has great penetration capability, as seen, the tank starts smoking and burning, indicating the warhead penetrated through, taking out another of Russia's most modern tanks, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.